Now that you've created your classroom on Tunelark and invited the students who are in that class to join, the next step is to go over to Edit Curriculum and define what educational games are going to be available to these students. The way that it's organized is into a series of categories: music theory fundamentals, reading notes, and ear training. And then within those categories, we have missions: introduction to melody and harmony, reading notes in treble clef, recognizing descending intervals. And within each of those missions, you have a series of games. So if you click Edit on the mission, you can see all of the games that make up that mission. Within each of those games, there's a series of levels. And the final level in each game is a cumulative level that represents everything that students learned in that game, and that's what they're asked to review. So you can define here what games you want to be available to them and what games you don't want to make available to them. To turn off all the games in a mission, you can toggle it off here, and then you can turn on the specific ones that you want to make available to them. And you can go back to all missions. You can also just toggle off all the games in the mission at once by clicking that. That's the same as this toggle over here. And so that's how that works. If you ever want to go in and see what a game is like, you can click Try It Out. It'll pop open in a new tab and you can play the game. And that is how you define the curriculum for a classroom.